Everybody, welcome back to another video about Hedera Hashgraph, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the latest price reduction, latest price update of Hbar token, guys. But before starting this video, please, I request everybody to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Hedera Hashgraph. The right now price of Hedera Hashgraph in the market is about 0.485481 USD dollar. That is a right now price of Hbar Hedera Hashgraph. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the price changes occurred, so you can see here, guys, that the latest changes of Hedera Hashgraph is going wrong, going negative. You can see the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph is going negative. I'm very sad about Hedera Hashgraph that the changes is going negative. Oh my god. But other side, guys, if you look the last 1 week change of Hedera Hashgraph, so absolutely still the last 1 week change is positive 53%. Oh my god, that's a high percentage, guys. 53% the price of Hedera Hashgraph positive in the last 7 days, guys. Let me show you the price chart. You can see here from a price chart, it's also clear that from 10 September Hedera Hashgraph price start pump, but unfortunately from yesterday the price start dumping, guys. And possibilities, guys, that for 2 days the Hedera Hashgraph continued its dump, and after 2 days again, guys, the price will again jump. I'm sure about that, and that is my prediction about Hedera Hashgraph, guys. Anyways, guys, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about Hedera Hashgraph? Please also share in the comment box. Hope you like this update video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.